there guys, my name is Javish Sharma and today we will be reviewing the OnePlus Power Bank. This is the box of the OnePlus Power Bank, and first I will unbox it and we will see the first impression of this power bank. So this power bank is actually like it's a second generation of the OnePlus Power Bank. First it was released in 2015 with the OnePlus Power Bank logo, and then it just came back after 5 years in 2020. So let's unbox it right now. So the box is pretty minimal. You can see there is no branding on the box at all. It's a normal cardboard box right in front of you, and when I tear it open from here, we see the actual box of the OnePlus Power Bank inside of it. So the OnePlus Power Bank comes in a really slick packaging. You can see there is white and red like the OnePlus branding. Obviously this is a OnePlus product on its core. So it's a 10,000 mAh power bank which is green in color, and it's obviously a OnePlus power bank, so it offers you 18-watt fast charging and really great features that you can accept from power bank. It has fast charging features, not dash charging that OnePlus usually offers in their smartphones, but it has fast charging, so it will charge your phone fastly than other power banks. You can see there is dual USB output, 2-in-1 charging cable which is a USB Type-C and a micro USB 2.0 cable, and there is 12 layers of safety protection in this power bank. So it is a really safe power bank, to be honest. You can see the outputs of all the USB ports. I'm not unlocking the seal, and just taking out the power bank, you can see it's green in color. I've ordered it in green color and it's really nice and wobbly packing here. Now let me take the power bank out, and as you can see it's in a poly bag, so much for the carbon footprinting of the company. And power bank is really looking slick. It's green in color, as I said, and never settle is written on it. OnePlus logo is right here, and you can see the ports are on the above. When you tap this button, you can see how much the power bank is charged. There are 4 LED lights, and this represents the battery of the power bank. The 3 ports on the above are the standard USB ports and a USB Type-C port. You can charge your power bank while charging your phone with it, so it can handle the multitasking aspect. As you can see in the box, there is a let's start it guide which will guide you to how to start a power bank and all, and there is a never settle written here which is a really off center, to be honest. It's triggering my OCD. There is a red cable club card you can find in the box, which is not a great quality as compared to OnePlus Nord, which I have unboxed in the previous month. And here is the special cable which comes with the power bank. It is a USB Type-C and a micro USB 2.0 cable, so you can charge your smartphone off USB Type-C port, and also you can charge the smartphone which comes with the micro USB 2.0 port. So you can access the micro USB 2.0 port by slashing off the Type-C port, and to be honest it's really comfortable and it's really good. 100% convenient feature given by OnePlus in this power bank. So power bank is really sleeky, have curvy corners, have a really good design, and to be honest doesn't look like a budget product at all. It charges smartphones at 18 watt, not at 30 watt, so it doesn't offer the dash charge feature, but it does offer the fast charging aspect. It comes in 2 colors, which is green and in black. The black comes with a carbon fiber finish, but I like the green color, so I ordered it in the green color. Now the link of the power bank is given in the description, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to press like, don't forget to subscribe. This is Mr. signing off. Jai Hind.